I'm just gonna go and do probably 2 or 3 loops of this 1.6 kilometer forest, which is as closer to my house, and just take it nice and easy. Probably just take some video clips, film, enjoy it, and enjoy the sensation of the cold -5-degree air filling my lungs, and just enjoy running. I think that's very important. At first, it's just to enjoy it and not to try and focus too much where my stride is and how quick I'm going, or any metric really. Just enjoy this beautiful scenery, fresh air, sensation that I really love. Am I out of breath? I don't know. I need 2 minutes in as well. Right. Here in the middle of the forest, natural Christmas tree. No need to chop it down. Use it for plenty of Christmases. Better than artificial ones as well, eh? Well, I guess the good thing is, the bigger it gets, the more space there is for presents. So, about 30 minutes in, it's been enjoyable. So nice to be back out here and enjoying the great outdoors. One thing I'll say that I am focusing on is keeping my arms moving. A little bit harder with a GoPro, like if you're trying to film, but not doing too much of that. So making sure I'm keeping my arms moving, not crossing them over, because the more I do that, the more my hips move around, and you want a nice stable glutes, hips, and it's the legs doing the movement, kind of limiting your swinging around, but also trying to bring them back. Propulsion, law of, what is that? I don't know. Physics, yeah, let's just say physics, that you move forwards with that action. And the other fact is, the quicker you're doing your arms back in 2, naturally your legs pick it up. Try it yourself. So if you run and you're coming through and your legs, you can't run. You see, I'm trying to do the example, but I can't even do it. Where you run slow with your feet and fast with your arms, naturally they adjust. So, just ended my run now. Well, ended the main part of it. Now I've just got here to the outdoor gym. Just going to use the outdoor gym and do a few box jumps, some squats, and it's great that they have these things quite a lot here in Finland, or Helsinki region at least, and you know, it's nice to do these types of exercises outside rather than in an air-conditioned gym. Yeah, just like it. So I'll show you a few of the movements that I'm going to be doing. Hello. So thanks for coming along on the run with me. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, because it was great to be here. Did I mention it? And yeah, see you when I see you. Okay, so let's go home.